Claude has a free plan and paid plans going up to $200 per month. And I guarantee most of you are either overpaying for features you don't use or stuck on a free plan when $20 a month would change everything. I've tested every tier, and here's exactly which one you actually need. You can find the timestamps in the description, and let's get it started. Starting with free. And honestly, Claude free plan is better than most people realize. You get Sonnet 4.6, which is their main everyday model, and also you get Haiku 4.5 for faster and lighter tasks. And here's what's included. Chat on web, mobile and desktop, web searches, file uploads, image analysis, artifacts, which lets Claude build interactive tools and documents for you. I actually even showed few demos in my past videos. Subscribe. Next up, you're getting memory across conversations, extended thinking for complex problems, and you can even connect Google Workspace and Slack. And all that for $0. And you may ask, what is the catch? And the catch is really simple. It's usage limits. You'll get somewhere around 30 to 50 messages before you hit the wall. And during peak hours, that drops even lower. Then you have to wait for a few hours for the limits to reset, which could be sometimes pretty annoying if you're working on something really serious or really important. You're also not getting Opus, which is their most powerful and latest model. No Claude Code, no co-work, no projects, and no research mode. And here's a quick comparison to ChatGPT. ChatGPT free plan also gives you their flagship model, but starting 2026, it comes with ads in certain countries. Claude's free plan has no ads, both have tight usage limit, but Claude gives you web searches, artifacts, and connectors on a free plan, and compared to ChatGPT, who are gatekeeping these features on the paid plans. My honest advice is this: if you never use Claude, start here. Don't spend money on something you haven't tested. Use it for a week, and if you're hitting the usage limits regularly, that's your answer. Upgrade. If you're barely using it, stay free because there's no shame in it. This is the plan most people should be on, and it's where Claude goes from interesting toy to I actually can rely on this every day. Everything from free plus roughly 5x more usage, access to Opus 4.6, their most intelligent model, Code Claude for coding, co-work, which lets Claude work on tasks in the background and even use your computer, unlimited projects, and research mode. Two biggest upgrades are Opus and projects. Opus is notably better at complex thinking, strategy, long-form writing, and coding. If you only use Sonnet, Opus will feel like a different product. It thinks deeper and catches things Sonnet misses. Projects let you create dedicated workspaces with their own instructions and upload files. For example, one for work, one for side projects, and one for school. Claude remembers the context in each one, and it completely changes how you interact with it. Now, if we're talking about ChatGPT, ChatGPT Plus is also $20 a month, and both of these options are solid at this price point. The main difference is Claude gives you a much larger context window, meaning it can hold way more information in a single conversation. If you work with long documents, research on complex projects, that means a lot. ChatGPT has stronger image generation with DALL-E and bigger plugin ecosystem. Claude is generally better at writing, reasoning, and following detailed instructions. Neither is better across the board. It depends totally on what you plan to do with it. If you're mostly generating images and use custom GPTs, ChatGPT is the option. If you mostly write, analyze, plan, or code, Claude Pro is the stronger pick. My honest advice is this: if you're using AI more than a few times a day for actual work, Pro is a no-brainer. It's only $20, it's less than a streaming subscription, and unlike Netflix, this one actually makes you more productive. Don't sit on the free plan for months being frustrated by the limits. Either you need it or you don't. And probably if you're watching this video, I would guess you need it. Also, one more thing before we move to the next plan. Lots of people are asking me, should I pay for Claude and ChatGPT? And my answer is pick one and just go deep, real deep. You'll get way more value mastering one tool than splitting your attention across two. You can always switch later if they add some additional features you like. Max comes in two tiers: Max 5x at $100 a month and Max 20x at $200 a month. The number tells you how much more usage you're getting compared to the Pro plan. You are getting everything that you got in the Pro plan plus 5x or 20x the Pro plan limit usage, higher output limits on every task, priority access during high traffic so you don't need to wait in line, and early access to all the new features before everyone else. And let me be real, most people do not need Max plan. This is mostly for people who live inside Claude all day, developers running Claude code for hours, founders using co-work to manage multiple workflows, people who literally have Claude running tasks on their computers while they're doing something else. The $100 per month plan gives you the 5x Pro usage. That's a lot of headroom if you're constantly hitting Pro limit and it's interrupting your work. The $200 per month plan is essentially unlimited for any individual. 20x Pro usage, maximum priority. You should not hit the wall with normal usage. For comparison, ChatGPT Pro is also $200 a month. With ChatGPT Pro, you get unlimited messages and access to their O1 Pro reasoning mode, which uses extra compute for hard problems. With Claude MAX 20x, you get 20x Pro usage, priority access, and early features. Let's be honest, both of these are really expensive and only worth it if you're AI-powered users. So my honest advice is simple. Don't buy Max because you think you might need it someday. Only buy it when Pro limits are actively costing you time or money. I'd rather you spend $20 on Pro mode for 3 months and see if you ever hit the ceiling, than you spending $100 on day one just in case. And if you never hit Pro limits, here you just save $80 a month. And if you want to see exactly what Claude can do at each level, I made a full tutorial walking through every feature from beginner to advanced. So subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this, and if you want to learn all the latest features of Claude and all the different AI models. See you in the next one.